Hey everyone, Cath here, and today we've got a great fun activity with our lovely group at Sundale, and here's one of our gardeners, Edna. Hey Edna.
Hi.
And here's all our gardeners in the background, everyone. Say hello. Hey. So today we're finishing up with a really cool activity that our gardeners are going to enjoy putting together. It's a lovely little gardening gift, and then they can share this with someone to inspire them to grow. So the first thing we've got is a little pot. See our little pots here? And inside goes in here a little jiffy pot. So put that inside there, Edna. And then we've got some seeds, and they're on a seed tape, a little piece of seed tape, which it makes it easier for the person who's sowing the seeds into the pot. That's okay, pick it up. A piece of seed tape makes it a lot easier to package so we don't lose it. So there's our little piece of seed tape in. And we've printed out some instructions so whoever is getting this lovely gift can follow what to do. So in goes the folded instructions, and in goes a label. So we know what we're growing. What's on this label, Edna? What's that one say? Lettuce. So this is a little pot to grow some lettuce. And then we wrap it up in some cellophane, put some ribbon around it with a lovely little gift tag. We've got our gift tags with our curling ribbon, and that gets bundled up all together, and our gardeners can give these out for beautiful gifts. So if you're looking for some ideas for your activities and lovely Christmas gifts for this season, try this one out. Okay, thanks Edna for that. Thanks everyone. Have an amazing day. Bye.